Good morning, everyone. I am here from CapExcel at Vibrant Buildcon 2025. I have here with me Mr. Abhay Agarwal, Director of Mangla Stone Group. Sir, can you please give a brief introduction of your company?
Hi, good morning. I am Abhay Agarwal, Director Mangla Stone Group. We are into exports of natural stone, marble, granite, sandstone, limestone since last 40 years. We have our manufacturing in Udaipur. We are here at Vibrant Buildcon putting up our booth and displaying new products.
Right, sir. Great to hear. So, how has your journey in exports been so far?
This business was started by my father, Mr. Deepak Agarwal. He started back in 1989 when the exports opportunities were not that much, but he used to travel a lot. He created a lot of demand of Indian stones, and now I see that exports, since Modi ji is here and he has a vision of booming up exports to next level. I really thank his government and his visions, which actually have enhanced our exports. And we really are, we are growing in a segment where whenever I'm traveling to remote countries, all I hear is a good reputation of our country. I see people who never knew about India, they can mention India, especially the name Bharat. And yes, it's been a very good journey. I really hope we grow a lot. And this industry, which is my passion, we say stone
Right, sir.
goes in my blood.
Oh,
So I really want to, it's my passion to introduce new stones from India to
right.
all over the world.
Right, sir. It's great that you're passionate about your business,
Thank you.
and of course, export promotion aligns with the government's vision of Viksit Bharat 2047,
Of course.
and we at CapExcel are also aligned with that. Sir, any advice that you have, since you have a lot of experience, any advice you have for the upcoming exporters who want to start their journey in exports?
I always say to upcoming exporters, don't get into price war. The market is too big for everybody to explore and everybody to sell. Always look at your USP, always look at the unique point which you are offering to your customer. Don't try to cheat in exports because it's a reputation which will carry on with your brand. And never, you have to build your relation with customer. The market is too big that, there you can grow in tremendous ways. And of course, always get involved with different agencies or government. There are so many missions, there are so many programs which we
Right,
also
right.
take advantage of,
Correct.
and people should be more aware of about them. People should get more involved in them, and it's a very big business. If you try it, you want to start it, just go ahead. And the best part is that you'll really enjoy it, traveling around the world, meeting new people,
Right.
understanding new cultures. In here, Vibrant Buildcon, I have seen so much diversity.
Yeah.
We have visitors from so many
So many
countries.
foreign delegates
I
at
was
us.
I was so impressed. People were not able to communicate, but they had their
Yeah.
translators online because they really came to explore new products.
Right.
So yeah, it was really good.
No, so that's very valuable advice. And even on our CapExcel website, we keep posting the regulations, the policies of the government. So all the notifications are there. And as you mentioned, one should always be aware of these
Of course,
policies to take
of course,
advantage of them.
of course.
Right. And sir, in terms of business, how has putting up a stall as an exhibitor here at Vibrant Buildcon helped you?
Absolutely, it was an amazing experience. I really appreciate the organizers, especially Capexel, being so supportive in everything. I mean, I wish I could, being there first time, I would really wish I could have one negative feedback, but all I can say is it was so appreciable.
Right.
I mean, the team was really nice. On time, we got everything what we demanded for. For a first time, the crowd, the footfall, we never expected will be this much. And it was a B2B good crowd. I mean, it was just
Right.
not a walk-in crowd where you just, kind of going around and not interacting with people, but
Right.
it was a genuine serious buyers
Genuine, yeah.
which we get. And I told Capexel that I am going to be part of this event every year. So
That's perfectly great to hear, sir.
and I really thank organizers, the team of Capexel, for such a marvelous support, for such a marvelous show, and look forward. All the best to the team.
Right. Thank you, sir. Since you are a CapExcel member, First of all, how long have you been connected with CapExcel as a member, and how has CapExcel helped you in your journey of exports?
So CapExcel, I have been associated with CapExcel since last 5 years. I'm quite new with their association, but
Right.
since the members, the team organize, the core team of CapExcel is very helpful. I mean, you can ask for anything, whether it's RCMC certificate, whether help in identifying some queries of different stones and region. They are always ready to provide us data. They are already always ready. I mean, it's not a tedious process with every
Yeah.
one of any one of them. So, I mean, it's great.
Yeah.
CapExcel has been, I would say, since last 5 years, has been a backbone of my exposure to the world. So yes, of course.
That's so amazing to hear. We are definitely here to help all our member exporters in
Thank
their
you.
export journey. So wonderful having you here, Mr. Abhay. Thank you for interviewing with me.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.